To disturbing new allegations tonight in a story I first broke and have been following closely ever since. A former Detroit nurse at DMC Sinai Grace Hospital now at the center of an even more shocking claim and questions growing about those who hired him. A new lawsuit filed on behalf of two more patients says they were drugged and sexually assaulted. Today I was at the news conference as those new claims were being announced and heard directly from the attorney taking action.
Sinai Grace has betrayed that fundamental responsibility. In an ultimate betrayal, they allowed a known predator, unlimited access to its patients.
Speaking about hospital patients allegedly sexually assaulted at Sinai Grace Hospital by former nurse Wilfredo Figueroa Barrios, attorney Tim Holland announcing new lawsuits on behalf of two women. Holland filing suit in Wayne County Circuit Court and pledging to file more lawsuits. In this case, he says his client was a patient drugged and sexually assaulted back in July 2025.
We are looking for survivors to join the chorus of the brave people that have already come forward.
Holland adding, as police and the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office work to criminally prosecute the former nurse, there should be accountability for anyone else who allowed him to continue working.
He was arrested in 2019 for assault. He had a felony charge in 2002. He had another felony charge, we believe, in 2008.
Two other law firms have already filed lawsuits against Figueroa Barrios, a licensed nurse since 2012, as well as Sinai Grace Hospital.
What did Sinai Grace know, and when did they know it? We think we're going to be able to elicit incredible facts here. He had worked there for 2 years. He had worked there for 2 years prior to our client being assaulted. And we think that the evidence will show that Sinai Grace had multiple chances to catch him, prevent this.
Holland says, similar to other claims, there are videos to show the former nurse entered specific rooms at a time when sex crimes are alleged. Figueroa Barrios is also facing at least 8 criminal charges tied to multiple patients in a case I first exposed. We've learned more cases are also under review by the prosecutor's office involving investigations in Detroit and Livonia dating back years.
Attorneys again brought up online comments of a sexual nature found on Figueroa Barrios' social media accounts. Both the hospital and the nurse deny any wrongdoing, and Sinai Grace says they took complaints immediately to the police. Sinai Grace adding patient safety remains a top priority. Their full statement is on WXYZ.com.
So we know the former nurse is free on bond. Any updates on the other lawsuits?
Yeah, attorneys Todd Flood and Jim Harrington put out a statement just about an hour ago saying that they now have proof that the hospital was informed of problems years ago and did not take appropriate action. So we haven't provided that in the release just yet, but we're waiting to learn much more.
Yeah, much more to come. All
yes.
right. Thanks a lot, Simon.